Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have completed chapter number 3, Adventures of Don Quixote, and from today we are going to start chapter number 4, Bringing Up Carrie. Okay, Bringing Up Carrie, chapter number 4 of your English course book. So before going to the chapter, let us learn about this person. Okay, he is the writer of this book, from where the extract has been taken. Okay, he is Dhan Gopal Mukherjee. He was born in the year 1890 and died in the year 1936. He was one of the first successful Indian writers in English. He wrote many books and stories for children, most of which describe the animal life of India. His Gay Neck, The Story of a Pigeon, this book, Gay Neck, The Story of a Pigeon, was considered to be the best American children's book for the year 1928. So here are some of his books. Carrie the Elephant by Dhan Gopal Mukherjee, Harry the Jungle Lad, Gond the Hunter, Gay Neck, The Story of a Pigeon. So these are some of his famous books. Okay, he wrote many books, but I have given some of his famous books so that you can search for them and give it a reading. Okay, and let's move on to the word meanings. Okay, so students, what you need to do, take out your class copies, write today's date, name of the chapter in the first line, and here in this corner, chapter number. Okay, chapter number 4. CH will do, CH in capital letter will do, CH-4. You write in that corner. Okay, and start writing the word meanings and learn them and prepare yourself for the lesson. Okay, number 1 is barely, only just, that means almost not, very little. 2, ebony, hard black wood. Number 3, pounds, that is a measurement. 1 pound is equal to 0.454 kg. Number 4, twigs, stem of a tree. 5, saplings, a young tree. 6, tenderest, easy to chew, not tough. Tender, that is very tender, easy to chew, not tough, not hard. Number 7, struggled, to make a very great effort to do something. 8, stretched, to make something longer to reach across a distance. Number 9, current, a movement of water. Here it means, in this lesson, it means a movement of water. Number 10, darted, moved suddenly and quickly. 11, ashore, that is on the shore. 12, conscious, that is knowing what is happening around. 13, astonished, greatly surprised, amazed. 14, instant, happening immediately, that is instantly. 15, realized, understood clearly. 16, wept, beaten with a whip. 17. Squealed, to make a long, very high sound or cry. Number 18, and this is the last one, pay you back in your own coin. So what does it mean? To treat someone in exactly the same bad way that they have treated you. So these are the meanings of the words, students. So you write them down and learn them. Okay? Then in the next class we will be starting the chapter bringing up carry. So till then, bye bye and have a good day.